Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to delete people from Facebook block list. But before we getting started, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, go to Facebook. Now click on your profile. Now scroll down and look for settings and privacy option. Now click on settings. So actually, if you go to your settings option, you easily can find the blocking option here, right here. But somehow in my profile there was an update because of my page issues. So what I need to do, simply I need to go to profile settings for Shamsul Arifin Sifat. I mean, that's my account actually. So if I scroll, okay, so now here you can see the blocking option is available here. So if I click on that, now here these are the people I've actually blocked. Okay, so now if I click on unblock option, this person actually removed. So this is how you actually can remove people from your block list. Okay, so I hope you also can do it and understand how you can remove people from block list, right? So that was all for today. Hope you like this video, and if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.